Welcome to Yantra Traders, your dedicated partner for all electronic needs. We are here to provide complete solutions for you, your office, or your business. Yantra Traders is a trusted name in electronics, specializing in sales, service, and repair. We deliver complete, reliable solutions across sales, service, and repair for individuals, offices, and businesses alike. Let's look at our core computer services designed to keep you running smoothly. Whether you need a brand new system or a cost-effective refurbished laptop, we offer quality computer and laptop systems to meet your needs. Our repair capabilities are advanced, including intricate chip-level board repairing and specialized hardware fixes. Losing data can be stressful. We provide reliable data recovery and hard disk repair services to bring your valuable information back. Yantra Traders offers end-to-end solutions that cover all aspects of your electronic systems. We ensure the seamless functioning of your desktops, laptops, and related hardware, keeping your technology reliable. Gain peace of mind with our yearly support subscription, offering consistent maintenance and timely support for long-term reliability. Beyond computers, our expertise extends to several specialized electronic services. Secure your space with professional CCTV camera installation and configuration services. We specialize in setting up interactive panel boards for modern collaboration and presentations. From servers to office networks and secondary routers, we ensure robust setup and maintenance for all your networking needs. Yantra Traders is now expanding our offerings with new digital services. Need an online presence? We offer professional website development services tailored to your specific requirements. We also provide customized app development services, helping you connect with your customers on mobile devices. Our commitment to you is centered around quality, precision, and long-term satisfaction. We emphasize technical precision in all our services, combining knowledge with experience for reliable, long-term support. Choose Yantra Traders as your reliable partner for all your personal and professional electronic needs. Contact us today